wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best food sensitivity test kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. You may be unsure if your symptoms are due to diet, environment, or even your pets. If you don't know where to begin, homedna food and pet sensitivity can help point you in the right direction, and all it requires is a simple cheek swab to get started. You get a personalized report, and it offers supplement and lifestyle tips. However, results take 6 weeks. At number 9, the Wellnicity at Home kit provides everything you need, including the collection materials, instructions, and a return shipping label to give them your sample. They also offer free guidance from a clinician to help you decide what to do after receiving this information. There's the option to order recommended vitamins, but there's a limited list of covered ingredients, and the price is high for the features. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Those who don't mind a little prick in the finger have the option of Everlywell, which requires a few drops of blood. The results are reviewed by a physician in your state before they're given to you, and the full report is available online. This one tests for 96 common foods, however it can't diagnose celiac disease and is not permitted in some states. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for food sensitivity test kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, offering a full analysis of more than 190 allergens, the foodsafe combo panel involves using the included finger stick to provide a sample, but be warned that accuracy is not guaranteed if you're on some prescription medicines. A candida screen is also performed, and the results are mailed in 8 to 10 days, but it requires a lot of blood. Moving up our list to number 6. If you've ever wondered whether your furry friend is just a finicky eater or if there's something more going on, the 5 Strands Pet Kit is a simple way to check, since all you need is a bit of the hair they keep leaving all over the place. It tests for trees and grasses and comes with step-by-step instructions. However, it may not explain a pet's behavior. Halfway up our list at number 5. Mighty DNA is a solid choice for those who are curious about their predisposition for problems with common irritants like caffeine, alcohol, and lactose. You'll receive 2 sterile swabs and test tubes for easy collection of your sample. This one includes population-wide studies, but it doesn't include gluten analysis, and it only covers 3 key genes. At number 4, one of the most comprehensive options available, testcountry alcat can put you in touch with a mobile collector who will do the blood drawing for you, after which it will be checked against 357 potential irritants, including over 200 foods. No fasting is required, and it checks antibiotics and molds. However, it is prohibitively expensive for some. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you or a loved one have had unexplained stomach issues for a while now, and you're wondering if gluten may be the cause, try this simple Let's Get Checked celiac test. Should you test positive, they can put you in touch with medical professionals. This one uses FDA-approved labs and provides you with a secure online account. You can get a response in as little as 5 days. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for food sensitivity test kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the 5 Strands Intolerance Test has options for both adults and children that focus on 350 sensitivities and allergens. You can also try the deluxe version, which covers more than 600 different causes for your unexplained ailments. The hair analysis is pain-free, and you get results in under 2 weeks. And yes, it works with color-treated hair. And taking the top spot on our list, the miadna genetic can not only provide insight into your food sensitivities, but can also test your predisposition for things like obesity based on your body's genetic profile. It includes recommendations for a healthy diet plan too. It uses a simple swab method and provides a comprehensive PDF report. It comes with exercise tips. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for food sensitivity test kits, or simply click beneath this video.